Hello, today we will guide you through how to paper trade on FXCM. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to place a practice buy order on a cryptocurrency instrument using FXCM's trading platform. We'll keep things simple and focused, and these directions assume you're already logged in and using a demo or practice account, so no real money is at risk. Start on the platform's main screen and open the trading workspace. This takes you to a product board where instruments are grouped by asset class. You'll see categories like Forex, indices, commodities, and more. Scroll down the list until you find the cryptocurrency section. This category collects the crypto instruments available on your account, making it easy to focus on that market. Select the cryptocurrency category to display the instruments inside it. You should now see a list of crypto symbols. Choose any sample symbol you'd like to practice with. For example, a major pair like a well-known coin against the dollar. Clicking the symbol will bring up the order panel on the right side of your screen. This panel shows live pricing and the ticket you'll use to prepare your order. In the order panel, set the side to buy. That tells the platform you want to open a long position, meaning you're looking to profit if price moves higher. The panel will update to reflect the buy side, and you'll be able to enter your desired order details. Enter a sample price in the price field. By specifying a price, you're preparing a pending limit order that will trigger only if the market reaches your chosen level. This is a helpful way to practice planning entries instead of chasing the current price. Take a moment to verify the symbol. The side is set to buy, and the price you've entered is the level where you want to be filled. If the ticket shows additional fields like quantity or trade size, simply note what's displayed so you understand the notional exposure in your practice order. When everything looks correct, click Buy to submit the order. The platform will confirm that the order has been placed. From here, your ticket will remain pending until price reaches your specified level. If it does, the order will execute and convert into an open position. If not, it will stay in the pending state until filled or canceled. That's it. You've just practiced placing a crypto buy order in a simulated environment. Use paper trading to rehearse entries, get comfortable with order tickets, and build confidence before trading live.